guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back home and I'm going to take you through my pamper night routine. So before I get into the whole routine, I have been using the Love Beauty Planet scalp serum. This is such an amazing serum at reducing hair fall. It smells so good and it is a very lightweight non-sticky serum. I have been really enjoying this one lately, so I'm going to apply this all over my scalp and keep this serum on my scalp for an hour or two. I like to follow up with a gentle massage to make sure everything is evenly distributed and to promote blood circulation. I'm using a cleansing balm to gently get rid of my makeup. This one is from Beauty of Dsouza and I love this cleansing balm. I love the texture. I love the way it melts on my skin. It is a really good cleansing balm for light to medium makeup. I like to go in circular motions all over my face and then rinse it off. This cleansing balm also does not sting my eyes, so I really love that about this. It's been an hour and a half, so I'm going to go in and set the mood. I'm leaning more into Christmassy scents these days, so I did get my hands on the crushed candy cane candle from Bath & Body Works. This one smells super minty, fresh and pleasant. I really enjoy this scent. If you like minty peppermint kind of scents, you are so going to love this. I recently did a collab with L'Oreal and they sent me their Absolute Repair range, and I have grown to love this shampoo. It nourishes and softens my hair after the first wash itself. It smells really beautiful. Also, the scent does linger on for like 1 to 2 days. I absolutely love it when the scent lingers on. It just makes me feel so good and so fresh. Once the shampoo has been rinsed off, I'm going to go in with a hair mask. It's the Absolute Repair hair mask from L'Oreal Professional. This one again smells beautiful. It's super creamy and works very well on my hair. It helps reduce frizz to an extent and leaves my hair feeling super smooth. It smells exactly like the shampoo and I absolutely enjoy this one. I'm trying out this chocolate truffle sugar body scrub tonight that I found on Amazon. It is a nice basic scrub that does the job quite well. It is a harsh scrub. The sugar crystals in here are not too small nor too large, so it's just the right size that's good enough for exfoliation. It smells really sweet, kind of like chocolate truffle and those sweet bakery kind of scents. I pretty much really love using this and the scent just makes it so much better. To shave, I'm using a shaving cream. This one is from Earth Rhythm. It's a really nice shaving cream. It is super creamy and it smells super sweet. It creates such a perfect canvas for shaving, so I really quite enjoy it. To shave, I'm using my go-to razor. It is a 6-blade razor that is just perfect for shaving. To cleanse my body, I have been using a sweet scented body wash that just vibes with the season. I have been loving Coffee and Warm Vanilla from Love Beauty Planet. This is literally my second bottle and I absolutely love using this. It smells so good. It literally smells like a sweet cafe. It has such an uplifting, sweet, warm scent. It cleanses pretty well and lathers well enough. I'm also going to be scrubbing my feet with this foot tool. I find this really useful and helpful. It is finally time to rinse the hair mask and my hair feels super soft and smooth. I'm going to wrap my hair in a microfiber towel and let my hair dry. Going in with the skin therapy oil from Palmer's. This one has such a beautiful cocoa scent and I am obsessed with the scent. It is such a good body oil that moisturizes and smells beautiful. Once my hair is dry, I like to apply a hair serum. The one I have been using is from OGX. It is a great serum at taming frizzy hair and leaves my hair soft and more manageable. I like to go in and apply a decent amount all over my hair. Although this one comes in a very tiny bottle, but the amount required is really less, so you do not actually need quite a lot of this product. So if you're looking for a good hair serum, you could definitely go in and try this one out. I'm going to wash my face with the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Cleanser. It is a gel cleanser and a tiny amount is all that's required. It foams up pretty well and gently cleanses without leaving my skin dry, which is just what I need this winters. Moving on, I have been using this face mask for some time now and it's literally been my go-to this winters. This is the Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask from Beauty of Dsouza. I personally love this face mask since it leaves my skin feeling so soft. It smoothens out my skin. I love the fact that this is an exfoliant as well. It is such an amazing clay mask that does not dry up and it smells really good as well. It smells like berries to me. Overall, it is a super moisturizing clay mask. I like to leave this on for around 10 to 12 minutes and then I go in and gently exfoliate my skin. However, it does not come off easily, which is a downside of this clay mask. So I like to go in and use a microfiber towel to get it off. This helps to get rid of clay mask super quickly and gently. To tone my skin, I'm using Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. I love that this one comes in a mist form that makes it super easy to apply. I always grab this toner during this season. This specific toner is literally my go-to for winters. It is super creamy, moisturizing, nourishing, and leaves me with this beautiful, soft, glowy skin. If you have dry skin and you haven't tried this, I would highly recommend you to try this one out because this one is just beautiful. For my serum, I'm using the Minimalist Alpha Arbutin tonight. This serum works wonders for my dark spots and pigmentation. I like to gently pat this into my skin for better absorption. I'm also going in with the Ordinary's Caffeine Eye Serum. This is a really nice under eye serum that keeps my eye area well nourished. My go-to moisturizer these nights has been the Snail 92 All-in-One Cream from Cosrx. It has this slimy texture, but it is so moisturizing and nourishing. It literally makes my skin so glowy and improves my textures. I love using this cream in the mornings and at night as well. It has been my favorite moisturizer so far and I would highly recommend you guys to try it out. Finishing off with a lip balm. I'm using the Plum's lip balm and I love everything about this. It nourishes my lips really well and I love the pigment as well. Moving on, I have been obsessing over this body butter from Vaseline. It's their Cocoa Glow Whipped Body Butter. It smells so amazing. It is super moisturizing, keeps my skin soft, buttery, moisturized and smells amazing. For my body mist, I'm using Bare Vanilla from Victoria's Secret. I absolutely love the scent. It smells like vanilla cupcakes and whipped cream. I would totally recommend you to try this one out if you love these kind of notes. I'm done with my shower and my skincare and I'm going to go ahead and decorate my tree, so I'm jumping right into that. I'm setting up the lights on my tree with my brother's help. I absolutely love this time of the year and I love decorating the Christmas tree. I have been decorating all these years now. This is something that brings me joy and I love doing this every single year. I'm going to cook some dinner tonight. I'm cooking risotto and mulled wine tonight to get into the Christmas spirits. So I've already chopped off a few vegetables and I'm just chopping a few mushrooms now. I did marinate this chicken a few hours back and I'm going to let this cook. Once it's cooked from both the sides, I like to add in the mushrooms and let that cook. I will be adding spinach a little bit later, so I'm chopping that as well. Once I have the mushrooms cooked, I transfer them into a bowl and keep it aside. And I'm also trying out these arborio rice for the first time. I'm hoping I like it. To begin with risotto, I first went in with some butter, onions and garlic. I'm going in with 2 cups of rice tonight. I'm going to add in rice and the main ingredient for this dish, which is chicken stocks. So I'm just pouring in some chicken stock and letting that cook really slowly. While my risotto is cooking, I'm cutting a few fruits that I require for mulled wine. I'm keeping it super simple and I'm just going in with 2 oranges and 1 apple. To my pan, I'm adding in a few spices for that Christmassy flavor and a handful of orange slices and apple as well. The next step is to pour in wine and let that simmer. This smells so Christmassy and I cannot wait to have it. Absolutely loved the way everything turned out. Also, I did watch this movie. It's called The Family Switch and I absolutely loved it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, do like, subscribe and share. Merry Christmas. Bye. Love you.